Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be making a little bit more in-depth tutorial on how to get the Zephyr client for Minecraft Bedrock. So first thing you're going to need is the Minecraft Bedrock launcher for historical versions. I have made a tutorial on this if you want to go watch that. But after you've got that, you're going to want to go ahead and go into installations, and you're going to want to create a new installation. I'm just going to edit this one so you can see what it is, with version 1.19.70.2. which I believe is the current most updated version here. I'm just going to call it Zephyr for now. Then we can go ahead and save that, go into play. Then we're going to click the Zephyr client. Unlike in installing Java hacked clients, we're going to run the game before installing the hacked client. So what we're going to be doing is using the Zephyr injector to install the modifications. Alright, so now that the Minecraft Bedrock has loaded, we're going to go ahead and run the ambrosial.exe, which is the Zephyr client injector. We're just going to bring up this little window here, and we're going to click on the top version here, on the left-hand bar here, which is going to open up the corrected version, or actually no, it might be Zephyr. Just click on the Zephyr, and then we're going to go ahead and hit launch. Now it's very important that when you do this, the game is in the exact same version as the version of Zephyr that you're trying to install. If you try to do it any different version, like even by 0.1, usually what will happen is it will just crash the Minecraft over and over again. And it can be very frustrating if you don't know what's going on. Next you'd go ahead and load up a world, so we can just go ahead and create a new world or go into an existing world. As you can see, it has a very cool looking Zephyr logo with the rainbow changing texture and all that. It's a very aesthetically pleasing client. Alright, so we've now loaded up a brand new world, and the first thing you're going to want to do is, well, how do you open it is what you're going to want to know. So by default there is no button that you can press that will open the hacks menu. You're going to have to set the click GUI. So you're going to want to hit the T button, or the chat button, whatever you've set that to. And we're going to go ahead and type .bind space click GUI and then the key that you want to use to open it. So I usually use P, so I'm just going to set it to P. As you can see there, it gave me an invalid module name. Usually that just means that you've hit the comma instead of the dot, which sometimes happens. And we can go ahead and hit escape, and now when we hit whichever key that we've set to bind the click GUI to, we hit P, it will open all of the hacks. And we can go ahead and move them around by just going ahead and left clicking and holding down left click to move these around, and then clicking right click, so right clicking the little plus buttons will open. Right clicking further down in the hacks will open extra settings of the hack, and left clicking the hack will enable the hack. Left clicking again will also disable it again as well. And you can just move these around to however you prefer them, and then use them as you please. And that's how you get the Zephyr client. It's a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial than the one that I made before. This one sort of, the only difference is that it explains how you have to use the right version. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.